In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account using the website. If you've been investing or trading on Robinhood and you're ready to move some funds back into your bank account, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through each step of the process so you can complete your withdrawal with confidence. First, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on their official website. Make sure you're on a secure network and double check the website address to ensure you're on the correct page. Enter your login credentials carefully, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the account icon, which is usually easy to spot in the top right-hand corner of the page. This icon serves as your personal hub, giving you access to all account-related actions. So go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, navigate to the section labeled Transfers. This section is where you manage both the movement of money into Robinhood and the transfer of funds out to your bank accounts. Once you're in the Transfer section, you'll see a few different options. But what we're interested in today is withdrawing funds. Click on Withdrawal to start the process of moving your money out of Robinhood. Now, you'll be asked to select the bank account you'd like to send the funds to. Robinhood will display any bank accounts that you've previously linked to your investment account. Choose the one where you want your money to go. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do that first before you can withdraw. After you've selected your bank, it's time to enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Type that in carefully, making sure you're not exceeding your available balance. Robinhood will usually show you your withdrawable cash up front. For most people, this will be any settled funds not currently at risk in open trades. With that entered, click Review. This is your chance to double check everything. Make sure the right amount is entered, the destination bank is correct, and there are no accidental errors. Taking the time to review details now can save you extra hassle later. If everything looks right, the final step is to click Submit. This will process your withdrawal request and begin the transfer of funds to your selected bank account. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to complete, so don't worry if you don't see the funds immediately. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to smoothly withdraw your money from Robinhood anytime you need it. If you ever encounter issues or have questions, Robinhood support can offer further assistance. Thanks for watching and good luck managing your investments.